Types of hats: baseball cap, top hat, fedora, cowboy hat, beret, derby, mortarboard, sombrero, hard hat, sun hat, hood, beanie.
Darkness and lightness. Pitch dark. Dark. Dim. Dull. Pale. Light. Bright. Dazzling. Happy. Sad. Healthy. Sick. Excited. Bored. Calm. Angry. Rich. Poor. Energetic. Tired. Hardworking. Lazy.
Take off. Touchdown. Put together. Take apart. Come down with. Get over. Pick up. Hang up. Stay in. Go out. Eat in. Take out. Bring down. Cheer up.
Do not forget to subscribe.